today. What are we going to do today?
Tiramisu.
We've decided na ipakita sa inyo kung paano siya gawin. So, without further ado, let's start it na! So, first thing, we need to separate the egg white and egg yolk. And then, we need to put 1/2 cup of sugar. Actually, it depends on you, but don't make it super konti. So, you need 1/2 cups or 100 grams of sugar, but I put like 80 grams. So, this is it. Lalagyan nyo siya sa egg yolks. Egg yolks. And then, we will add the vanille or vanilla sugar.
Vanille.
Vanille. 7.5 grams. Saka natin siya i-mix using this whisk.
Assistance needed.
Kailangan nyo lang kunin yung ating mascarpone.
Mascarpone.
Mascarpone. 250 grams. Saka natin siya ilalagay sa gas. Yan. Eh, hindi halo lang natin siya, guys.
Just mix it long.
Yeah, mix it lang. Be sure that the mascarpone is totally mixed. And now it's okay. So now, you need to get this one, this baby. And you will need this para haluin yung inyong egg whites.
Hold it.
Or guys, you can actually use the normal whisk, the classic whisk. If you don't have this kind of machine or electric whisk. It's a bit salty.
Bah, t'as no sugar in it, huh?
Since nahalo na niya, as in sobrang galing talaga. So malalaman niyo pag okay na. Pag alam niyo, mahirap na siyang medyo ano siya, medyo strong na yung ano niya, yung texture niya.
It doesn't fall down if you rotate.
No, it's like DQ na. So now, so next one, kailangan niyo na siyang ihalo dito sa inyong egg yolk. Pero kailangan dahan-dahan siya paghalo, is dahan-dahan, and kailangan niyo gumamit nito para hindi bumalik sa, para hindi maging soft yung texture ng inyong egg whites. So, kailangan ganito talaga yung panghalo nyo, guys. Or you can use, you know, like big kutsara. I think it will work, but don't use a whisk. You just mix it until we make it. May bubuo pa siya na egg whites until medyo mag-light lang yung tira-tira niyang ganyan. Pero huwag niyo pipisilin kasi hindi siya maganda. So, you just need to mix it like this again and again.
Bahala sa kayo.
Bahala sa kayo.
Sisa, no?
Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo.
Bahala ka sa buhay niyo.
Bahala ka sa pet mo. Kamisa, no?
What?
So, now, as I've said, huwag niyo siya pipisilin and haluin niyo lang siya ng haluin hanggang maging ganito siya. Yan. So, now, mahal. Now, we're ready to rumble. You will need to get something like this or kahit anong gusto niyo, guys. It's all up to you. So, ako gagamitin ko ito. Mas prefer ko siya and mas maganda yung, aesthetically, mas maganda siyang gamitin. And coffee. Ayan. Kailangan hard talaga. Yung hard na hard. As you can get. Hard coffee. Didip lang natin yung speculoos. Not, yan. Kalma-kalma lang sa pag-dip.
Deep fried?
Deep fry. And then we will put it inside. I will do this and then you will do the other one, ha? Ayan. Nasa loob na silang lahat. Ilalagay na natin itong mix natin. that again. Like, it's like Graham lang. Para ka lang gumawa ng Graham, pero iba lang yung feeling niya. Yeah, baby! Yeah! Pangit yung that one. So now, ilalagay na natin yung ating speculoos crumbs. Para lang ma-feel natin yung sides na mayroon pang filling. Mayroon pang filling. Ganyan lang. Yan. And then, lalagyan ulit natin, as I've said, para siyang graham. Yan. So, we're done. Nalagay ko na yung ating ano. This is how it looks like for the moment. And now, I'm going to clean it lang. So now for the decoration, or not just for the decoration, it gives more taste and more feeling sa inyong tiramisu. So, now we need to choose bitter cocoa.
100% without sugar, c'est ça?
Okay. We also have coffee, pure coffee, and speculoos crumbs. So, this is actually the hardest part for me kasi I love all. I love the speculoos, I love the cocoa, I love the coffee. So, but for this time, I think I'm going to use coffee. Para lang maiba naman. Karat natin siya. Yan. My tiramisu speculoos. And then after that, saka natin siya ilalagay sa refrigerator for like 2 hours, 3 hours.
Okay. If I remember, you put the speculoos in the cafe muna.
You need to talk loud.
You put the speculoos in the cafe muna.
I thought you want strawberry.
What?
If you want strawberry, you need to put strawberry then speculoos.
Ah!
Yes.
I will make my own version.
Yeah.
T'en mets combien en bas?
Depends on you. It depends on you.
2, ça suffit.
Sure?
Ouais. Then you put again. Petit bas. Tac. Now I will add some fruits.
That's your own version, huh? That's your own design.
Ouais. Because I want strawberry. C'est the season, so...
I want strawberry then, but I put just the strawberries. So keep ampitipo for me. T'es sérieux?
C'est mon tiramisu. J'ai le droit de faire...
Grabe. Lahat talaga halo-halo, mahala. C'est pas possible.
Hello, hello style. Like police.
Seriously?
For the taste.
Oh là là.
The best tiramisu ever made.
Ay, ay, ay. Bayo.
Please buy me.
Ay, ay, ay. Let's see mamaya. Let's taste.
Ouais. Et un petit peu de cacao encore for the touch.
For the touch. Ay, ay, ay. Oh lolo.
Don't do like I want to do it.
Bawi
I
kasi
want to make
naman.
point.
Just say.
Oh, I will make a big one. Voilà.
Juste comme ça, tu veux pas mettre quelque chose dedans?
It's look masarap.
Wait, it looks like. Alors, introduce it na.
C'est my version of tiramisu.
Wow, seriously.
Ouais. So I put speculoos, then a layer of the mass. I don't know what. how to
The
put
filling, let's say, whatever.
I put a layer of something. Then another layer with the strawberry and speculoos.
Hello, hello.
Another layer, then the crumbled one with the strawberry again. And then the final touch.
The final touch.
Wow, final.
We're going to have a competition pagandahan kami ng speculoos. Tiramisu. Ready?
C'est parti.
Ow. C'est mal. So.
Ah, c'est tout petit. Bah tiens, I will give you one.
No, c'est bon. Do your things. I will
Okay.
do mine. We won't mind each other.
Okay.
Since you know how to do it na guys so now we don't need to show you what we're doing. You already know. It's a battle. Who's the best among the rest?
Don't copy me, ah.
Hoy, I'm not copying you, You're such a failure, So, see, you listen to what I said. I shouldn't tell you that, You're using that against me na. Why you have this and then you're using
Pour Maya.
For
Oui,
Maya.
c'est vrai, mais il avait 9, ça va. You're sick and you do it.
Gago ka.
Allez, 1, 2.
So baboy. C'est très bon. T'as goûté?
Ouais, c'est excellent.
C'est excellent. For me and you. But mine is so simple, so I think you will win. Kamayan talaga no? Yeah, baby! And then now, I'm going to put a bit of... Matalo, siya ang talo. Mine is done. Super simple I will get the bread now.
Attends, you need to be focusing. Voilà. Ah, yours is Gondo quand même. Hein.
How, why yours bigger? Ah,
It
sabon.
look like long. And the top?
The top.
Oh, yours also is.
Okay.
Hmm.
What are you doing, sir?
Eating.
Ah, the chicken nuggets. Halika na, we will say bye-bye. Ito guys yung ginawa ko. Babawanin ko siya bukas sa work. Ang galing, diba? Diba may instant baon ka na?
Instant baon.
Instant baon. Tara, we will say bye-bye. Halika dito. Come.
Ay, nako.
Uy, they cannot see you. So, bye-bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like.
And taste it.
Um,
And subscribe.
and follow us on our Instagram account.
Or Facebook.
And don't forget to
Snapchat.
Snapchat then. You wanted Snapchat.
Whatever.
And like this video, of course. And
I get it! Nail it! How's the concept? Don't move, don't move. C'est mal, Sarah?
I cannot see anything now.
Viens, viens avec moi. Fais-moi la main. Viens, viens, viens. N'aie pas peur, viens. Allez, avance, 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 avance. Tout droit.
Mahal the camera.
Viens, 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 viens.
A few moments later.
I need an explanation and an apology.
I apologize for the mess that I make here.
Oh, fuck, mahal. Demand.
Apology.
Mahal.
That deserve a like. Pardon, petit cœur. Mais if I was there, you will be doing.
For sure, I won't do that to you.
You even did that to the wedding with the
No.
cupcake on my face. See, you're the first one who started. So that was my revenge 2.5 years after.
Nawala na tuloy yung makeup ko. Oops.
Oops.
Oh.
Attention.
Mal, we need to finish this.
I won't take the risk.
No, I won't do anything.
No,
I
you
swear.
people, I need to kain na.
So, sayang yung tira.
Next time, man, we should try with the hazelnut choco past, you know?
Whoa, that's good.
Like
idea.
nocciolata. It's for sure it will be super sour. We will try that.
Sarap. Pero minsan kaya ako tumataba.
Huh?
This is the reason why I'm getting fat. Mahal, help me here.
Attends, 2 secondes, je vais manger mes habits, j'ai pas envie de les mettre sales.
Mahal, they can see you.
Ouais. You can do better.